Okie dokie, artichoke. Next, next tutorial is how to set your personal profile on Facebook to public and why you should do that if you are trying to grow a brand, business, or influence online. So obviously, um, if you are building your business online, right, or you're just trying to impact more people, you're trying to inspire more people, whatever your goal is on social media, it's to get more eyeballs on that message, correct? So you can make that bigger impact, so you can make that difference, whatever it is, with maybe it's just your message, maybe it's with your company, product, opportunity, etc. So, and especially in the very beginning, when you are working with what you've got in front of you, like maybe you don't have your automated biz attraction system built yet. Maybe you don't have that. And so you need to get those first customers and team members and people in there. We always recommend starting out with where you're at. And almost, I should say 99% of you probably have a personal Facebook profile, not a business page. That's different, okay? There's a business page and a personal profile. I'm talking about your personal profile where you've normally been interacting with people and they're sharing pictures of their puppies and whatever. That's your personal Facebook profile, and 99% of you have one. And so, what we teach you is in the very beginning stages of your business, while you're getting these other things set up, how to use your personal profile and how to optimize it so that you can get your first leads and sales without being desperate and verbally vomiting all over people. So, what we want to teach you is how to change your post to public. Now, as you can see, on your posts, whether you are on whether you're on a desktop or whether you're on mobile, there's going to be like a little globe or a little world looking symbol next to the posts that are public. Now, you can change individual posts and you can say, you can go to edit audience, and underneath of the edit audience, you can select custom. You can do like a custom list, close friends. You can choose friends only. And so, but the vast majority of the time, we recommend setting your personal profile to public because you want as many people as possible to see your things. If you are following any of our like viral social content type blueprints to help your message get out there, if you're reposting any of the content that we're helping you with that are available in the VIP, okay, so whether that's the quote graphics, whatever it is that you're sharing, these posts can go viral. And when all these people are sharing it, right, that means more of these people are going to come back, like friends of friends of friends are going to find your profile. That's how you attract new followers and new connections online. Okay. And so if your profile is private or if it's shut down, they're not going to be able to connect with you, or right. So what I recommend doing is going through that training, making sure that your profile is optimized. Okay. So go through the Facebook profile facelift training. So go through all of that. And then what you're going to do here is underneath of these settings and privacy, if you go to, I believe it's the settings, it's somewhere underneath of your post preferences. So it might look a little bit different, but in general, it's going to be under like public posts. This is who you're determining who can follow you. Okay. So public post filters and tools. You want to make sure that this is set to public. All right. And that's because you want these people, friends of friends and random people, to be able to find you online so that they can follow you. Who can comment on your posts? Public. You can get notifications from public. Who can like or comment on public profile pictures? Public. Okay. Enable previews when your public group posts are shared off of Facebook. Okay. Previews may include your username, profile image. Yes. So I turn that on. I have comment ranking turned off, but that's about it. So I would go and turn all of this on to public because you're building a personal brand, you're building influence, and you're looking to grow your income online and using social media, which means you need to have a social media presence. So turn that on to public. Now, if at any time you do a post and you only want that visible to like friends or something, or like family, or you just don't want that to be public, like maybe you're sharing your kids' birthday pictures, then what you can do, okay, so you can see once this is once this is posted online, you can tap these dots in the corner and you can say edit privacy. And underneath of that, you could then choose only friends can see that post. Okay? So that's how you do that. So I recommend having your generic settings be set to public. And then if you do a post that you don't want the Gen Pop to see, you go in and change the privacy settings on that individual post. And that's it. That's how you set your profile to public. Again, I do recommend it because that's just going to be beneficial to you and your business. And it's going to be really hard to grow online if you have a private profile. So thanks so much for watching this training. If you have any questions, and you're inside of my inner circle or my team training, go ahead and pop on to the next live. Make sure that you ask. And we'll cover your question live. If you cannot make it onto the live, just be sure to submit your question before the next live event, and then I can still cover your question and you can catch the replay. All right? Okay, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next training.